Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question how long it takes for biodegradable corn starch plastic dog poop bags to leak. I've been doing a review just recently about these Joria dog poop bags and they looked very good for me. Of course they are rather thin, but they looked actually good to me. The only question I had is how long it would take till they start to leak. Is it just minutes or hours or days or weeks, or what is it? I mean, they are made out of this new kind of biodegradable cornstarch thing, and I thought, yeah, since it's organic, it wouldn't take too long to leak. I mean, when you're picking up something, you cannot just put it directly into trash. You have to carry it home. Sometimes people are using them pretty far away, then they take them home. So it's really important to know how long it could take for them to leak, how long it takes until they start degrading. I mean, apart from being punctured, I mean, this is for me the biggest risk here because they are rather thin. It's not just this brand, all of them seem to be rather thin, so you have to be really careful. But apart from the punctures which can happen to any kind of bags, even normal plastic bags, how long would it take? And so I've started an experiment and I put out a bag with water inside, a lot of water. I put it outside into a spot where it gets a lot of sun, and I mean, we are talking here about Florida sun, very hot, super humid. It gets around 2, 3 or even 4 hours of direct, super strong sunlight every day, and it's sitting just here outside, hanging on this pipe. And I've put it outside. You can see the proof here, April 11th, and now we are on May 13th. And the question is, how long did it take to leak? Yeah, first I've been starting with some time lapse because I thought, okay, it's rather minutes or hours, but then it took too long. Then I started to make some images every couple of days, but it still wouldn't leak. And now, so here we are more than 1 month later with this thing here sitting outside in a lot of heat and sun and humidity and also water inside, and it just won't leak. I don't know how long it will take. I mean, I leave it here as it is. It won't eat up something. It's just here. It doesn't bother me. And you can see that here it has a lot of direct sunlight, and I'm planning to leave it here until it starts to leak, no matter if it takes 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 5 months. It's really hard to find any reliable information on the internet how long it would take in such a situation. Some people are saying it would take 6 months to fully degrade, but I was thinking about, I mean, total rot, like turn into soil, something like that, and I expected to leak it very soon, but it obviously didn't. So at the moment, the main point at this moment of this video is to confirm that these things last really long, so you don't have to be worried when you pick up something, put it in a bag or your pocket or something like that. You don't have to be worried that they start to leak unless they are punctured or so. So that's it for now. I still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and again, I will keep going with this project. And if you want to see the long-term effect, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel, get a notification about new videos, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.